The rally pauses for a brief moment here in the U.S. U.S. indices, as I speak to you right now, we got the Russell down about 1/3 of 1%. The Dow and the S&P both just below the flat line, with the NASDAQ just above this flat line. That again is as I speak to you right now. Can't really tell which direction they're going to trend in at this point. The National Australia Bank Business Confidence Index came in stronger than expected. UK employment data last night slightly weaker, while earnings in the UK were slightly higher. German CPI was as expected, and EU and German ZEW indexes all lower than expected. That's a roundup of the data last night. But we do have yields higher in the US, and that's part of the reason we have some pressure on equity markets. The 2-year is up 6 basis points on its yield from 4.26 on Friday to 4.32 right now. 5-year up 7 at 4.27%. The 10-year is up 7 at 4.37%. The 30-year up 5 at 4.52%. OPEC cut their demand estimates again. They've cut their forecast for global oil demand growth for this year and next. That marks the 4th consecutive cut to their demand outlook for 2024. Chinese demand accounted for the bulk of the 2024 downgrade. Speculation is now that they will push back the unwind of production cuts even further than they already have. CPI comes out tomorrow. The market is expecting no change in the core month over month, which is 0.3%, or year over year core 3.3%. But on the headline, it's expecting an annual rise to plus 2.6% from plus 2.4%, with no change on the month over month figure, which was plus 0.2%. Looking ahead, earnings today after the close, we only have 46 companies with over $1 billion in market cap reporting, including Spotify, Suncor Energy, Occidental, Flutter Entertainment, and Skyworks, and Lore Holdings. Tomorrow before the opening, 12 companies with over $1 billion in market cap reporting, including James Hardie Industries, CyberArk Software, Tower Semiconductors is one of the other bigger names. Tonight, Fed Governor Christopher Waller is speaking, along with Minneapolis Fed President Neil Kashkari and Philadelphia Fed President Patrick Harker. Tomorrow, more Fed speak with Kashkari again, as well as New York Fed President John Williams. CPI in the U.S. for October, as I already mentioned, and then at night, Australian employment data.